Well, hey everybody, it's Outland and I'm back, and it's been about a month since I've started this giveaway for this book right here, Through Hiking the Appalachian Trail, 100 Tips, Tricks, and Facts, and Traps. And well, it's been about a month now. It's August 1st, and it is time to draw the winner. So one of you lucky folks out there who commented on my original video is going to win this book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you inside, right to the computer. I've got everybody's name on a spreadsheet, and I'm just going to randomly pick a winner. So it's as simple as that. It's going to be really quick and easy. So come with me and let's go find the winner. Let's go. Alright guys, well, here is a spreadsheet I made of all the users who commented. I had 19 total users who commented. So making this very, very simple. Each of you got a number assigned to your username here, 1 through 19. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these numbers. I'm going to go over here to random.org, our favorite friend here. And I'm going to plug in 1 through 19. Okay. Completely random, no bias whatsoever. So here we go. I'm going to click generate. Number 9. Who's number 9? Brian's Outdoor Videos. Hey man, Brian, you are the winner, dude. You won this book. So hopefully you're on Facebook, so you can go over to my Facebook page, the Outland channel page, and instant message me. If you're not, leave me a comment and we'll figure out a way to get this book to you. But I think YouTube has disabled instant messaging capability through there, so I have to figure out a way to get your info. So hopefully you're on Facebook, but we'll figure it out. I'll make sure I get this book to you. Congratulations, and thanks to everyone else who commented and put in for the book. I really appreciate it, guys. I'm going to do more giveaways like this soon. Hope to, in the near future, do some more really cool stuff with some gear and things like that. But again, I really appreciate it. Thanks all for watching, and thanks for supporting the channel. And I'll talk to you guys real soon. Thanks.